Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix UAE Pass error, face recognition not working. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser like this, and then just go to google.com, and here just search for UAE Pass like this, and then just click on the first link, this one right here. This is the website. So alternatively you can also download the application on your iPhone or Android device, but I'm gonna do it on their website because it's going to be the same on a computer or laptop device as well. The steps are gonna be the same or pretty similar. So yeah guys, just go to their website uaepass.ae, and then just click on the three lines in the top right corner, and then just click on support, and here you just have to select complaint, put in your title, your email address, and here you just have to describe your problem, your issue properly, in the most descriptive way possible. And then you just have to take this I agree with UAE Pass privacy policy, and then just click on request, and you should receive a response from their support team within 24 to 48 hours, and they should fix your problem within that time frame. Alternatively, you can also call them on this number and tell them about your error, and they will fix your problem much quicker than the email address. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.